Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wigley coming at you live from the 9th Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. How's everybody doing so far today? Are you staying positive? You know it's easy to do. There's nothing better than having a constantly positive mental attitude. And the way that we maintain positive mental attitude, PMA, is to always focus on the positives. Avoid all those negatives that are always around you. Just ignore them. Focus on the positives. Don't see positives? Look for them. Look for them, and you will find them, my friends. In the meantime, let's learn a couple of things today. How about something like, check this out. Let's say we want to copy this format right here. I can just double click and put that format right there, right there, right there, right there if I wanted to, right? And I still got this marching ants marquee going right there. How do I get rid of that? Boom, press one keyboard, escape. What if I want to do something like I want to copy all these numbers down right here? So I just go ahead and drag it on, grab my autofill handle and drag it on down. It's all ones. What about this right here? Let's just fill the series. There we go, just like that. How about copying a formula all the way down? I want to copy this formula all the way down to right down there. Just stop right here. Okay, how do I do that? Boom, boom, just like that. What about this right here? What if I just grab these names right here and I want to repeat them? And I just go like this, and boom, I just repeat them in that order right there. Oh, what if we try navigating? I want to go all the way to the bottom of this worksheet, so I can just go, whoop, there I am, right there, just like that. See? Boom, just like that. What if I want to go all the way to the very last column on the very last row? I'm going to go to row 1,048,576. There it is right there, 1,048,576. Whoops, there it is. Boop. And now I'm going to go all the way to the very last column on this worksheet. Column XFD. And there we are, right there, just like that. Isn't that cool? These are all shortcuts. How to select multiple non-adjacent cells. I want to select all these cells right here. Select them all at the same time. You know, instead of going through and select them all like this, I'm not just selecting the individual cells. I'm selecting a whole range here. I just want to select the individual cells. How do I do that? Just like this, right there. Boom. Bam. Just like that. I've just selected all of them. And now I can just right click and format them all at the same time. Just like that. All right. Those are shortcuts, my friends. Shortcuts. And today I'm about to reveal where you can find thousands of shortcuts for just about every application that you use. And then also where you can find hundreds and hundreds of Excel shortcuts for Excel for your PC and Excel for Mac. Well, maybe 295. Check it out. All right, there it is. Let's see, I was just trying a little something over here. I haven't used a flash fill in a while, so let me see. Maybe you shouldn't really be doing this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's another shortcut. That's called flash fill. So I started typing in an email address, and they're all going to be at gmail.com. Or I can even say, hey, these guys are all at a specific company. These guys are all at Microsoft. Because I like it better. And then we got G.McKenzie at Microsoft.com. And then we got I.Rica. Whoops. Did I mess up the pattern? What? Uh-oh. Doesn't look like okay, we're gonna say b.frank@microsoft.com. Then we got G. There we go. See, the problem was you gotta know the basics. You gotta lay a solid foundation, and you gotta do everything step by step, right? For the flash fill, it's identifying a pattern. The way I did it before, I didn't repeat the same pattern as I did in the first email. In the first email, I got b.frank. And then the second one, what I had typed is I made the G capitalized. So I messed up the pattern. And here we're seeing that Excel identifies, hey, maybe there's a pattern, and I just press enter. Boom! Just like that. That's called the flash fill. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're talking about shortcuts, this is a shortcut, flash fill. But we're talking about keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to recommend that you go right ahead and you go to this website right here, shortcutworld.com, shortcutworld.com. And that is where you can find a whole world of shortcuts. So you're just going to go ahead and search right in here, whatever program it is that you're looking for. I was looking for Excel, so I just searched. And then when we get to Excel, here's 300 plus. Did I say 295? I just said 295, and all of a sudden it's 300 plus now. Woo! It was 295 just 2 weeks ago. So look at this. It's like a Wikipedia of shortcuts. So you can contribute whenever you discover a new shortcut, because we're always discovering new shortcuts in Excel just by using it. So here we see that we've got the Mac OS shortcuts for Excel, and we got the Windows shortcuts. And here we can tell that they're very similar, Excel for Windows and Excel for Mac. They used to be pretty different way back in the day, but now they're almost exactly the same. And they're getting closer and closer to being pretty much the same. And you'll notice, for example, if I want to copy or paste, those are the same shortcuts that we have in Mac OS. So let's say that I'm in Windows and I want to pivot table shortcut. So I don't search right in here when I'm searching for specific shortcuts within this page. I find that it's better if I just press Control F, a shortcut, Control F for find, which Control F works in pretty much all the browsers and almost all the applications that I've ever worked with. When I want to find, I just press Control F, and there is the find. And I'm just going to say copy. And so let's go find some shortcuts for copy. There's copy, Control Alt V. That's a change cell format. And just a regular, where's our regular copy? Copy paste. There we go. Control X to cut cells, Control C to copy cells to clipboard, Control V to paste cells. Let's see on our Mac OS and see what it's like on Mac OS. So we'll go right back up to our Mac OS. Click. And look, right there is the same shortcuts. Control V, copy. You may just have a different button right here that you use, your command button, but you probably also have a control key on your keyboard, so you can use that. So you got choices depending on the type of keyboard that you have. And you can right click in a Mac. All you got to do is press control click, or you can just set your I should have been giving Mac advice if I'm a PC guy, but I just taught a class where it's a hybrid PC and Mac, and it was pretty cool. It's when I really realized that there's not that big a difference between Mac and PC. But I do recommend that you're using shortcuts, whether you're using Mac or PC. It's going to speed up and make you a lot more effective at getting your job done. So look, there's 227 shortcuts, Microsoft Excel for Mac OS. Let's see for Windows. we've got 300 plus shortcuts right there. So shortcutworld.com, my friends, go check it out. Let's say that you want some word shortcuts. Just go right into Word, and then right here you've got a whole list of word shortcuts. So let's click on that one. And the same thing for Windows and Mac. I want to encourage you to use shortcuts, to keep on learning, to speed up the way that you do your job so that you can enjoy your life. That's why I'm teaching this class right here, my 30 favorite Excel power tips. I'm going to break it down into 2 live sessions. The first class is going to be October 15th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And the second class is going to be on Aloha Friday, October 15th at the same time. So check it out. Click on the link in the description, and it's going to take you right to this page where you're going to see that this course is originally a $440 course. It is now available to you for $47. Take advantage of that, my friends, because this is going to increase your productivity. What would it be worth to you to be able to get your job done faster and enjoy your life more? $47, that's a deal. Enroll me now. Click on any one of the orange buttons and you'll be right there. Remember, I've got the link in the description. You want to know what's in this class? It's a live workshop, 2 days. Just click on any one of these topics and you're going to see the shortcuts that we're going to be covering in regards to that particular topic. Keep on scrolling and you're going to see the schedule for the second class. You get 2 courses with this bundle. Not only are you going to have 2 live classes where you can ask all kinds of questions, you also get 2 of my top courses right here. Excel Pivot Table Skills, where you learn how to use the filter on steroids, a pivot table, and the Excel shortcuts, Excel tips, Excel tricks, Excel skills, shortcuts, tips, and tricks course. Both of these are regularly being updated, and you have unlimited access to this. So check it out, my friends. Click on the link in the description, and then I'll see you. And remember, most of all, I love you. I want you to keep on learning, and most of all, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.